Welcome to this week's episode of the AI Business Brief. We provide a weekly intelligence briefing for founders, operators, and business leaders who want to understand what matters in AI without the noise. Each episode breaks down the most important AI developments of the week and explains their real business impact. Coverage includes AI platforms, tools, enterprise moves, startups, and regulatory shifts, always focused on how businesses should respond. This is not a breaking news channel. It is a curated signal-first briefing for SMB owners, solopreneurs, and startup founders who do not have time to track AI daily but cannot afford to fall behind. Our goal with this channel is to walk through what changed, why it matters in operator terms, and what you should do now while the shifts are still early enough to manage deliberately.